We think CA is all about studying when we are a student. And believe me, it is not just studying. As you grow out from your commerce course and enter the chartered accountancy course, you will have a lot of things in your mind and a lot of things to deal with. As you become a CPT student, you will be wondering if you're doing the right thing by choosing this career. A lot of doubts will arise whether you're doing what interests you, whether this is the only thing you can pursue, or whether this will bring you the success you need. Then comes the intermediate phase, and by this time you've already entered into a very big cycle of losing out on your social life and college life, and that will bother you a lot. Sometimes you will not have as many friends as you would have expected. Depends on the coaching institute. If you are in a good institute, you make friends, but after COVID, since all the classes have moved to virtual classes, I think that is also not going to happen. Then there will be other issues like personal life, family life, and other health issues will start cropping up because it is there in this generation from the age of 20s. So intermediate will be a difficult phase to pass, and when people are enjoying their college life, you will be working hard like anything, more than you ever imagined, to clear, to just get passing marks. And you were not a person who used to think that passing marks are difficult. At least I was like that. So that happens. And then comes articleship. But by the time I gave my intermediate exams, IPCC, I weighed more than an Activa. I had a lot of fat issues, and then by God's grace, I cleared with exact pass marks, exact amount of aggregate. So that was a good thing that turned out to be. Then, as I joined articleship, there was mocking, and the partner itself was mocking me. So that was not very welcome as a change. But then, anyways, during the course, like once you skip the intermediate cycle, once you cleared that, then you come into the new stage of articleship, and then you have new problems. Just when you start coping up with not having a social life and other things like studying and all, you get the new problem, the office life, where you have to balance classes, start thinking about CA finals. It's not just studying, and I'm getting there. So my articleship went well, a lot of problems here and there, but then overall the picture looks good as of today. And I had written about all of this before I wrote my exams, before I wrote my finals. I had written about all of this, and I've written ki what it takes. The last line is what it takes is you to work on what you want, nothing else. Although there will be 100 distractions. By the time I went on leave, there were 100 distractions, and I don't think studying is the only thing that will require you to pass the entire examination. A lot of it comes from the state of mind. Your exams are something you can conquer only with a state of mind. Sometimes the papers are tricky, and it is nothing less than a game of chess. No matter how much you study, it will not be the only factor for you to clear. And I'm making this video in the prime of few people's studying, so they understand that you by the time you clear these exams, whether this attempt or the next attempt, you will be in your early 20s, around 22, 23, and you would have achieved what the half of the world has not achieved yet or not even tried. You'll be in the 0.02% category. So do not be too harsh on yourself. Now I'm qualified, although I thought of making this video before I qualify, but now that I'm qualified, I can tell you that your problems will not end. But the fact that at the age of 23 you will have an experience of dealing with lack of social life, you will know how to make new friends, you will have a bigger picture of things, you will also be able to cope up with office life. Just when your friends start complaining about office life, you will be on the top of the chain, and no matter what happens, you will know how to fight the situations. Now again, the same thing, I had lot of restrictions on my food that I had built for myself, that I don't did not want, because I did not want to get into the same position as I was during my IPCC intermediate exams. And my exam leave was very difficult because of the restrictions I was building for myself. And I'm yet there today. I'm yet to lose weight because of the exam leave which I put on. But I think it's a constant fight and that will not change. So, all I'll say is do not be too harsh on yourself. Take things a little easy. Give your best. Study well. It's a state of mind that is required to clear these exams, not just studying. So, confidence is important and you have to start building on it because you're already something you can call an achievement. So, it's not just clearing the exams, finals, it is already an achievement to be where you are. Yes, you need to get the qualification, but that is not something that will define who you are. So, study well. There will not be a day where problems will not be there, but just that when they will be there, you will be very well prepared and confident to face it. Half of your problems will be disappeared. You will not even understand problems of your friends by this point of time, which happens with me. Like, can't explain, but they will know. The other non-CA friends will know. So, all the best. Study well. Don't be too harsh. It's a state of mind. You need to be confident and calm.